Oh, hello. Good morning, Peter, Ruby and Jojo.
We are standing at what Peter likes to call rubble. This is the remains of the Beehive Company, which actually began in 1862, and all that remains is the chimney stack that you see behind us. It is the largest remaining chimney of its kind in Australia.
That's got a wow factor associated with it.
Really?
And it is a monument to the early mining industry. The Beehive Reef was opened in 1854, followed by large-scale mining which commenced in 1860. The Beehive Company operated until its closure in 1918. The Beehive chimney stands at 30 metres high.